How to delete permanently your Facebook account without email and password. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Facebook application. Then launch your Facebook application and make sure you have logged into your account. Now open that profile from your another account that you want to delete permanently. Then hit on the three dots and select report profile. From here, select something about this profile. And then at last you will see something else. Simply tap on it and hit on done. Tell your family, friends and other members to do same. If you do a lot of report, then your account will be deleted permanently from Facebook. In this way, you can easily delete permanently your Facebook account without email and password. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.